In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to join the legions of creators making $100,000 per month and more with a platform that is quietly helping digital creators cash in millions. And no, it's not Shopify or Gumroad, it's WAP. I'll walk you through exactly how to launch your first product, tap into this gold mine, and build your way to six figures and beyond. We do have a lot to go through, but don't worry. I'm going to make it as simple as possible for you. That way, by the end of this video, you'll have your very first product that is going to make you hundreds of thousands per month. This works for digital creators selling courses, memberships, bots, and all kinds of digital goods. With that being said, I'll have some timestamps down below, so you can revisit this video if you need to. I recommend you follow along click by click and maybe take some notes as well. If I move too fast or too slow for you, there are playback controls on YouTube. Just click that gear icon and you can change the pace to find the right learning speed for you. Setting up your WAP store is simple and will be completed in under 5 minutes if you have your product or service marketing content ready. So let's start by going to whop.com. Now you can do this on your own, but if you want to support the channel at absolutely no cost to you, you can use our affiliate link. It helps keep videos like this free so we don't sell any courses. All the information you need is going to be in this video. If you want to support the channel, scroll down and click the first link below. That way, we all start in the same place, but you could also just go to whop.com separately if you don't want to help the channel. From here, this page may look a little different depending on when you're watching this video. You should be on the WAP homepage. If not, just click on the link in the description of this video to get there. Next, locate and click on the big blue sign up button on the homepage. Enter your email and wait for a confirmation code to hit your inbox. Enter that code, and you're in. WAP may ask you some questions such as what name you would like others in WAP to see, as well as a username and an avatar. Go ahead and answer all the questions. WAP may also ask you to join some WAPs so you can see others' experiences using WAP. Go ahead and join one or two that look interesting or have the best ratings, and click Next. Once you're signed in, click on the area at top left that says, "What do you want to sell today?" Now you will name your product or brand. This is your WAP. Enter your name and click Continue. Done. That's your storefront. Your WAP store is like the command center for your business. You can add everything from courses, memberships, communities, coaching calls, even software products. Think of it like Shopify, Discord, and Patreon all rolled into one. WAP supports both one-product creators and serious entrepreneurs with multiple offers. You can start with just one thing or bundle multiple offers under your brand umbrella. In this next step, you'll build your product page. This is an important step. You want a product page that not only informs, but sells. Let's go piece by piece. Click on the top tab labeled Manage WAP, located in the right column of your account page. For the headline, remember that this is your hook. Focus on transformation, not learn Facebook ads. Try how to land 3 clients in 30 days with no ad budget. For the description part, this is where you answer objections. Tell people what you teach and why it works. Show proof, include guarantees, and make it feel personal. For your logo, try and upload a simple brand mark or text logo, keeping it clean and clear. In the gallery media area, use a 2 to 3 minute video sales letter that introduces yourself, explains the value of your offer, and builds trust. If you prefer not to be on camera, then use B-roll or a faceless avatar voiceover with good editing. People scroll fast, so make your visuals, copy, and message do the heavy lifting. Next, you will build your authority with the About Me section. People buy from people. Even on a faceless channel, you need to build trust. In the About Me section, which is located in the middle column of your account page under Preview as Visitor, you may have to scroll down to see it and then click on Edit Creator Details. This is where you share your story and tell visitors why you are qualified to teach this. Highlight wins and testimonials, milestones, or personal results. Link your socials or website, if you have them. This gives potential buyers confidence that you're the real deal. And click on Save once you're ready. Now set your pricing smartly. WAP gives you tons of flexibility. Click on the Manage Pricing tab in the right column and then set up payouts by clicking the tab at the bottom, then clicking on the blue link. Set up WAP payments and Whop will walk you through some questions. They partner with Stripe for Whop payments, but you can also accept other payment methods such as PayPal or crypto. Here are your pricing options. The first one is the free option, which is great for lead magnets or building trust. The second is a one-time payment that is simple and fast. Then there are subscriptions that are great for recurring income that can be weekly, monthly, or yearly. But wait, there's more? Add a free trial or setup fee option. Enable buy now, pay later options. And as already mentioned, you can accept crypto or PayPal. It's also a good idea to offer discounts for pre-cancellation retention. You can even create custom checkout links for influencers or private clients with unique pricing. Your pricing structure should reflect both the value and access level of your product. Next, add powerful apps to your Whop by simply clicking on the Manage Apps tab in the right column. Apps turn your Whop into a full digital ecosystem. Start with these essentials. The Courses app allows you to add video lessons, downloadable PDFs, quizzes, and even completion certificates. The Chat app helps to build community engagement with real-time messaging. The Announcement app can be used like an email list. Send updates, wins, and promotions directly to members. The One-on-One Calls app helps you sell personalized sessions with calendar syncing and integrated video calls. All these apps are plug and play. You pick what you need and skip what you don't. Customize your Whop like it's your own digital clubhouse. Finally, launch your product and get discovered. Once you're live, here are some tips on how to drive traffic. Leverage Whop's marketplace categories, leaderboards, and trending pages. Activate your affiliate program to let others promote for a percentage cut. Create short-form content like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Reels. Hook viewers fast and drive them to your store. Use your email list or Discord to bring your audience over to Whop. And last but not least, plan to optimize for growth. To scale, you need to track 3 things. The first is your conversion rate to help improve your sales copy, video sales letter, and pricing. The second thing is your retention. Make sure to use announcements, content updates, and community to keep members engaged. And the third thing is your average order value to upsell coaching, exclusive offers, or bundles. It is helpful to use tools like automated messages for new member welcoming and abandoned cart follow-ups, pop-up discounts for visitors who linger, private affiliate links for the influencers, bespoke checkout links for high-ticket clients, tracking links to see what platforms convert best. Whop is not just a payment processor. It's an all-in-one revenue machine for creators and digital entrepreneurs. You don't need to be famous. You don't need to code. You just need to start. And now you know how to launch your first digital product using one of the best digital creator platforms so that you can be on your way to 100K or more every month. If you were just watching this video without following along, and now you feel ready to build a real digital business that grows while you sleep, set up your Whop store today. Link is in the description. Like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want the next deep dive on Whop apps or marketing hacks. And remember, every 6-figure journey starts with that first launch. Make yours count. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.